What's going on, YouTube? This is Mr. Traham at Teach Me Mr. T, your favorite teacher's favorite teacher. All right. This lesson is on multiplying a two-digit number times a two-digit number. We're also using the partial product strategy, or that box method, or whatever them kids, that new math with the boxes, whatever your parents say, right? I know they're used to standard form, right? But a lot of times we use partial products nowadays. Partial means in parts. Product is the answer in multiplication. So partial products, we're finding the answer to the multiplication problem in parts. And we are going to combine all the partial products together at the end. All right, I got 4 easy steps. Step 1, I'm going to set up the boxes the right way. All right. Step 2, I'm going to expand my factors. Step 3, I'm going to multiply the numbers across the top times the numbers on the left. Step 4, I'm going to add the partial products, right? So this is different from a 4-digit by 1-digit because the boxes are set up differently. The 4-digit by 1-digit had 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes times 1 on the side. This is 2-digit by 2-digit. This is the one that look like the window, right? So I'm going to set up a 2 digits by 2 digits. It makes sense because 2 times 2 is 4. I would need 4 boxes. 2 times 2. All right. Now, let's say my multiplication problem is 16 times 13. All right. Step 1, I set up the boxes. I need 2 digits this way, 2 digits that way. Step 1, good. Step 2, I'm going to expand my factors. To expand means to separate by value. So I'm going to take my first factor of 16 and I'm going to expand it into 10 plus 6. My second factor of 13 will be expanded on the left. It will be 10 plus 3. Good. Step 2 complete. I have expanded my factors. Step 3, I'm going to multiply. Basically, I'm going to multiply a top factor times a factor on the left, and the boxes where they'll meet up. So 10 times 10 will meet up there. 6 times 10 will meet up here. Then I will do the bottom row, which is 10 times 3 will meet up here, and 6 times 3 will meet up there. That's what I mean when I say multiply, right? I'm going to multiply the parts, right? Well, 1 times 1 is 1 with 2 zeros. That means 10 times 10 is 100, right? Well, 1 times 6 is 6, and I have 1 0. That means 10 times 6 is 60. All right, 3 times 1 is 3, and I got 1 0 there. So 3 times 10 will give me 30. And 3 times 6, that's a basic fact of 18. Good. Step 3 is complete. I am multiplying each number across the top times each number on the left. Step 4, I'm going to add my partial products together. I have 4 partial products that need to be added together. So basically, this is step 1 through 3 right here. Now, step 4 is right here when I add the partial products. My first partial product is 100. The next one is 60. Make sure you put the 6 in the tens place. Don't put it under the hundreds. My 3 is in the tens. 0 is in the ones. That's 30. 1 is in the tens. 8 is in the ones. That's 18. I'm going to add all 4 partial products. 0, 0, 0, 8. That's an 8 in the ones place. 0, 6, 3. That's 9 plus 1 is 10. In the tens place. I can't do 10 in the tens place. So I do 1 and I carry the 1 over there to the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 in the hundreds place is 200. So the answer is 208. Again, this is Mr. Traham with a simple lesson on multiplying a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number, also using partial products. Partial is in parts and product is the answer in multiplication. Peace.